silky smooth and remove the roughest dry callous skin.
I'm not doing it, yeah.
The toes, all sides, and heel of your foot. And the pad is unique design will hold the filings until you empty it.
That's my cell phone charger! Stop! Drop it! Dude, I'm not taking a picture. Or a video. Mine don't take video.
Every time it gets all quiet in my head, it starts singing. There's a ringing.
The whole family. It's perfectly in your hand, and it's perfectly safe for payments. It won't even burst the saloon. The pet egg gets my feet looking good, and I feel great. Pedicures are expensive, but the pet egg, I save money, and I look and feel good.
My feet were really beneficial.
What the hell was that?
It works great.
Stop wasting time and money at salons. Stop being embarrassed by your feet.
Oh my god, I think he's dead.
But wait, there's more.
Taking a video.
No, I'm not.
What?
No, I'm not. I'm trying to take a picture, but you won't show your face.
I'm shutting myself off.
Where's your face?
What?
Where's your face? So bye-bye to the camera! Say bye-bye!
No, you're taking a video.
Yeah, I got all your convulsions on it.